myself Anuradha Durgam. I'm Assistant Professor of the RIMS College of Nursing. My specialty is obstetric and gynecological nursing. I'm also in nutrition lab in charge. In this nutrition lab, we will explore the fundamental principles of human nutrition through various experiments. We aim to understand the role of micronutrient and macronutrient in maintaining health. By analyzing food samples and conducting tests, we will investigate nutrient composition and its impact on the body. This lab provides an opportunity to apply scientific method of assess dietary intake and make informed nutrient recommendation. Ultimately, our goal is to gain insight into the complex relationship between diet and overall well-being.
Myself Ragni Rathore. I am a BSc Nursing second semester student. This is our nutrition lab. In this nutrition lab, we explore the impact of health choices on health outcomes through analysis and experimentation. We aim to understand the relationship between nutrients and overall well-being.